All right, folks, welcome to Core Store. All right, we are going to try something a little bit new today. We're going to do two-out circuits with minimal equipment so we can do it at home. All right, today we're going to focus on using a block and a pair of furniture sliders. So furniture sliders, you can purchase those at your local hardware store or like a Home Depot or Lowe's for about $11. Don't be fooled by the ones that are like $50 on Amazon. So, and this will be scaled for kind of multiple different populations. I'll give you guys kind of just cues and different things that we can do as we go along here. And put on some core music, such a thing as this. We're going to do our thing here. So what we're going to need is just a block to begin with here. And what I'm going to do is, now we can do this one of two ways. If you have any head problems whatsoever, support your head. If you don't, excuse me, we put our hands behind our head. Now, I'm going to start with the block between my feet here. Back is in the ground as much as I can. We're going to do each of these circuits, or each of these exercises, a circuit of 3, for 30 seconds of breath, work, followed by 10 seconds of rest. And we're going to go through this circuit 3 times, this first one. So as you put it down, I'm just going to say stop and go. So let's start on our back here. We've got the block between our feet, back is in the ground. We're going to sync this with our breathing. So in this position, take a deep breath in, extend your legs up. So I'm breathing in as I bring my knees to my chest. Exhaling as I extend out. Good, 4 seconds. All right, now for this next drill, I'm going to rest my feet for a second. I'm going to put the block between my knees. I'm going to extend my legs out to the point where I feel my abs only. Take my hands, take a deep breath in. Push into my knees and exhale. Breathe in. Push and exhale. Breathe in. Push into your knees, create pressure, exhale. Breathe in. Push and exhale. All right, so for this next exercise here, I'm going to put these on my feet here. I'm going to push my body back and pike up. Moving very slowly. It's not about the amount of reps that we do, but the tension we create. Almost there. One more time. Oh, woo. Okay. So we're going to go back to the leg extension again. This time what we're going to do is we're going to try it with a block between the feet. Okay, we'll just make it a little bit different. So, squeezing, deep breath in. Bring it back, deep breath in. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling it much more on this one. One more time. Ooh. All right, relax for a second. Oh man, thanks for burning. Now, for this one, this one is going to be a little bit harder this time. If it's hard to do while keeping without your back arching, keep your feet on the ground, I'm going to push my hands to my knees, send my legs out a little bit, take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Keep pressure in. Push really big down. There's tension everywhere. All right, we're going to give it a rest here. I'm going to come up on all fours again. Push up position. Push back. Come forward. Whew. All right, last round. Whew, I don't know about you guys, but I might have to be screaming after this. Okay, let's squeeze the butt between our knees. Hands on our head. Back in the ground. Deep breath in. Exhale and extend. And again, I'm only extending as far as I can without my back arching. What I can also do is kind of extend up. Got about 8 seconds. 4 seconds. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to do something a little bit different for this one. We're going to try to engage our side abs a little bit more here. So I'm going to take the block away. You extend my legs out. Push my knees out of my hands. Take a deep breath in. You'll probably feel tension a little bit differently than we did before. 13 seconds. 5 seconds. And rest. All right. All right, last exercise here, guys, for the core. We're going to do something even more fun. All right, so hands on the ground here. All right, so let's push our body back. Pull up. Exhale. Good job, guys. Okay, so that was our core. All right, now we're going to work on kind of like our posterior chain or our butt. All right, so everybody's favorite exercise. All right, but this we're going to need a bench, something to put our feet up on. You can see this here. You can also use a wall. That's okay. But you know, maybe something to support your head as well. It's useful. And if you have a weight like a dumbbell or something, that's also useful. You don't necessarily need it. All right. So first exercise here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring one knee to my chest. I'm going to start to push my knee into this leg, and I'm going to push up on the other side like this. Okay, so we've got 30 seconds on each side. Okay, and then we're going to finish up with just an overhead pullover. So with this, oops, we're just going to push my hand into my knee. Okay, and we're going to rock this thing. So again, 30 seconds here. Moving up and down. Switch sides here. And again, we're going to get this other side. Pushing my hand under my knee. Up and down. I can point my toe down. I'll have you get a little bit more ab. I'm having a little bit harder time feeling on this side. My my knee out of my hand as well. So I'm going to get a little more loop there. About 8 seconds. Okay, it's starting to burn now. Oh, we're almost there. Okay, so for this next one, we're actually going to use our block. So I'm going to grab my block. Hands are going to be overhead here. I'm going to come up into a full brace. I'm going to breathe in as I pull my arms overhead. I'm going to exhale to come back. Think about breathing in as you pull over your head. Keep your abs on. You'll feel abs and hamstrings like crazy. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to go back to the beginning again. This should be fun. I'm going to support my head here. Push our knee into our hand into our knee. Let's get pressure back into the ground. Get kind of tip your hips up so you're getting that good pelvic tilt. And let's just come up and down here. Woo. And now we're going to switch sides here. All right, let's pull over. Okay, again, I'm pushing my hand into my knee here. I'm coming up and down. Twelve seconds. All right, let's put our heels up on the bench here. Get nice and high. This double leg exercise typically isn't that difficult, but after that, it definitely is. All right, so abs. We're going to breathe in as we go over. Exhale, pull it forward. Five seconds. Whew. All right, we've got one more run to go, peeps. Let's do this together. Going up and down. Five seconds. Thirteen seconds. Whew. All right, last exercise, guys. Let's knock this thing out. All right, once again, pressure back to the ground. Tip your hips off the ground slightly. Come up. Breathe in as we go overhead. Exhale as we come forward. Well, hopefully everything is burning by now.